I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme UI version and which SIM is active, because menus vary slightly between updates. Once done, disable any VPN or third-party data saver so the numbers aren't masked. Now open Settings and go directly to SIM card and mobile data or connections. That's where Android exposes usage. This first step gets you to the real controls quickly. Make sure you tap the SIM you want to. Once you're in mobile data usage, you'll see a graph and per app list. You should inspect both because the graph shows trends while the list shows culprits. Change the billing cycle or set a custom date range to match your carrier so comparisons are accurate. Also toggle foreground versus background usage and enable roaming stats if you travel. These filters explain spikes. Take note of any apps using excessive background data so you can restrict them next. To finish, set a data warning and a hard limit to prevent overages and restrict background data on high-usage apps. This stops surprise consumption. You can also enable Data Saver or capture screenshots of the usage screen to share with your carrier if needed. If the phone's numbers differ from your carrier, reboot the device, toggle mobile data off and then compare carrier account stats. That troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.